When you begin the claim process, the first question you will be asked is about your relationships. This is because we need to establish whether you are living with a partner. If you are living with a partner, your individual universal credit claims will be linked to make sure you receive the correct payments. This is done through a linking code that will be sent to your email. We only do this if you are living with your partner. Once your relationship status has been established, you will go on to the next stage, which is your to-do list. On the left, you will see a number of headings. When you click on these, you will be asked to answer a series of questions under each heading. When you have answered these questions, the heading will disappear. By clicking on the Journal heading on the top right of the page, you can see all of the information you have entered so far. When you have completed your to-do list, you are now ready to submit your claim. But first, you will be asked to confirm that all of your information is correct. When you are happy, click on the checkbox. Next, you will be asked to accept the commitment you are agreeing to when making a universal credit claim. Again, you must click on the box. You then need to confirm your declaration and submit your claim. At this stage, you will be asked to complete a short survey. You don't have to do this, but it helps the Universal Credit team understand our customers' needs better. Your answers will not affect your claim. Your claim is now submitted, and the next thing you must do is confirm your identity. You can do this online or by calling into your local Jobs and Benefits office. You will need to provide one photo ID, such as your passport, one proof of address, for example, a recent bank statement, as well as one other proof of your identity, such as a recent gas or electricity bill in your name. If you need more information or help about claiming universal credit, visit nidirect.gov.uk/universal credit or go to your local Jobs and Benefits office.